y'all, welcome back to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. If you're new to my channel, please remember to click the subscribe button and also click that notification bell. Click it to where it says that you get all notifications so that when I make a new video, YouTube will notify you that I have made a video, and you'll get notified on all my videos. Also, if you'll make sure to if you like the videos, to please give it a thumbs up. Also comment, that helps to get notified on the videos. And if you'll share when you interact with the videos, that lets YouTube know that you are liking and watching the videos, and it puts more the algorithm, I have a problem saying that word, so excuse me, of YouTube puts more of my videos out there on the home page, and for others to see. It gets out there more, and they also, it gets out there quicker for you to see the new videos. So this is just a very quick video. I just wanted to share this pretty little card my daughter had sent to me. I've had it sitting here. I wanted to share it with you. As she sent this, this is my daughter now, my oldest daughter, the one I have, and my grandkids, I should say them, because they also signed it. As you can see, from Noah and Annabelle. So if y'all are watching, hey y'all. I know Annabelle might. I don't know if Noah watches my videos, but sometimes Annabelle does. And Crystal, they sent me this, and it was just so sweet. And she said she went to the Dollar Tree, and she thought of me when she saw these, because she's like, now what is that thing that you call with that calendar thing, or thing that you do every week? And I said, my planner. She says, yeah, that thing. She says, I thought of you, and she saw these, and I said, well, they're just as cute as can be, and I've never seen these before. I've got some that I had gotten a while back, actually, last year it was. I haven't seen any since, and I never saw these, so these were just cute. I like the thankful, grateful stuffed, the little leaves and pumpkin, be grateful, spectacular, that's cute. Dinner at, these are really cute. I like the decorative ones. Event, I like the birthday ones because I'm always doing those. Busy day, like those. Life good. Appointments, let's vacay, those are cute. They're really cute. They have that little Happy New Year, let's celebrate, blessed. I love them. Happy 4th of July, let's celebrate again, party. So I love them. Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's. I like the holiday ones, especially. And then all the birthday, because I need holiday ones. There's some little balloons for a birthday. Be mine for Valentine's again. And of course, appointments and stuff like that. Get stuff done. These all kind of give me that. I love the colors. They're kind of springy time feel. So I'll be saving these mostly for springtime, but aren't they cute? They're really cute. So but these I can probably go ahead and use these right here. So I'll definitely be using those. I just wanted to share them with y'all. And I'd already told her thank you and the kids. But I just wanted to share my card and my little gift that she sent, because it was my one and only gift that I got for my birthday, and card too. So I was surprised. Her living all the way down in Georgia. That's where I'm naturally from, Georgia. I live in Kentucky now. And here they sent me that. So I was like, oh wow, I actually did get a little a card and a gift from her. So So I had to share it with y'all. So I thank y'all for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. Y'all have a blessed day. Keep watching for more videos.